In this video, I will guide you how to share a Google Sheet with others step by step. First, I open Google Sheets on my computer. After opening the sheet, I just type it in one of the cells as an example. Next, I went to the top right corner and clicked on the Share button. A pop-up window appeared asking to name the spreadsheet. By default, it shows Untitled Spreadsheet. I changed the name to Google Worksheet and clicked the Save button. After saving, another pop-up window appeared. In this pop-up, there was an email input field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to share the sheet with. Below that, there was a section called General Access. By default, it was set to Restricted. I clicked on Restricted, and a drop-down menu appeared. From the options, I selected anyone with the link. Now anyone who has the link can access the sheet based on the permission you choose. You can select Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on what level of access you want to give. If you want to share the sheet using a direct link, click on the Copy Link button and send that link to anyone. You can also share the sheet directly by typing an email address in the email input box. I entered the email address of the person I wanted to share the sheet with. After entering the email, a message box appeared. Here, you can type any message you want before sending the invitation. I typed a message and then clicked the Send button. And that is how you can easily share a Google Sheet with others. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials.